we're going to start the truck. It's already open and stuff. We were gonna do the oil change tonight, but oh shoot. Anyways, we were gonna do the oil change tonight, but we decided not to. So, God, it's hot in here. Let's see here. How much will it take to start the truck? Give it a few good pumps. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's about what I expected. Tastes like no gas to do anything with this truck. Because the brake light is on. It's good gas. Yeah, no, she's not very happy. God dang, homie. Yeah, no. So, it's leaking some oil. See, that is exactly why I want to do valve cover gaskets before we change the oil. Because if not, the new oil is immediately gonna go straight out the side. As you can tell. Good times. And there's a wasp. He's probably mad because we probably just like exploded his home. Shut up, B.